How to delete your Strava account step by step. In here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply open your Strava and make sure you're logged into your account. After doing that, simply tap on the profile icon on the top left corner right here, then tap on the gear-like icon on the top right corner. We'll get into settings. From here, simply tap on help, and then after doing that, you can see delete your account. Tap on that one, and after tapping on it, here we'll get into this particular link right here, and in here, all you need to do is simply log into your account, right? So after logging into your account, you will actually be getting this particular link right here that says account download and deletion. So what you actually need to do is, if you want to delete all of the data of your account, you can select the option I downloaded or I don't want to download my data, and all you need to do is tap on a request account deletion. After doing that, your account deletion request will be sent to Strava, and within a few days or within a few hours, you'll actually be getting a confirmation email saying that your account has been deleted, and just like that, you'll be able to delete your account. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.